Setcrete 2K Pro is a low-odor, fast-setting, fast-drying, two-component floor leveling compound, suitable for preparing a wide range of sound, internal subfloors prior to the installation of new floor coverings. Setcrete 2K Pro is particularly suitable for use over old adhesive residues, such as bitumen, tackifiers, and acrylic adhesives, without the need to prime. Pour 5 litres of Setcrete 2K Pro acrylic liquid into a clean mixing bucket and gradually add the 20 kg bag of powder, whilst stirring with a power whisk fitted to an electric drill until a smooth, creamy, and lump-free consistency is achieved. The material should be mixed for a minimum of 2 minutes, scraping the sides of the bucket halfway through to ensure all material is mixed. Pour the mix onto the subfloor and allow to flow to attain a smooth finish. Minimal work with a trowel is required. It can also be used to level damp, clean, uneven concrete, and sand cement screeds prior to the application of Setcrete Rapid Set D PM. Setcrete 2K Pro should be applied between 2 to 30 mm and has a working time of 15 to 20 minutes. It is protein-free, which allows it to be used in clinical and biologically sensitive areas. The use of a spiked roller will help to eliminate trapped air and provide a more uniform surface finish. Setcrete 2K Pro can be walked on from as little as 90 minutes, and new floor coverings can be installed from 4 hours.